Okay. Okay, move a little bit backward. 5 steps backward. 5 steps backward. K2, I did not tell you to move. I say, stay on your line. Look at your line. Look at your line. Okay. Move. Okay, kids. Hi. Hello. Are you still alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic? Yes? I cannot hear you. Okay, this is our last game. This game is called flower blowing. So when you blow, close your eyes. Okay? Close your eyes when you blow so that the flower will not get inside your eyes. And get one only. Get one chocolate. Teacher Johnny, sobrahin ng players. Get only one chocolate. Do not use your hand. Use your mouth. Okay? And then after that, you open the chocolate, eat it, and then open your mouth so that I can see if there's no chocolate anymore. And then you run, the next player will blow again. Okay? Ayan. Give to Kuya your lollipop because you will blow a flower. Okay, 1, 2, ready. Go! Put your hands at the back. At the back. Your hands at the back.
Na, mga hubak ko na.